Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In Top Gear ABBC Motoring Show, one of the show regular feature since 2002 is a various forms of racing. The percentages undertake either against each other against invited guests. The show has featured a number of epic races. We are one of the presenters, Jeremy Clarkson, Richard Hammond, James May, and nationally the stage drivers a car in the race against the other in other form of transport. These races typically involves Clarkson driving the car while Hammond and may take the same journey by combination of plane, train or ferry. May has said that the races are planned to be as close as possible of the long distance races. So far the car has won the vast majority of the races, with the exception of the Cross London epic, in which the car was beaten by a vehicle, a boat on the Thames, and public transport ferry down via power boat, in which is by one Shelby Mustang GT 500 via high speed train, in which the train one of the Arabian Peninsula race, in the which is the alternative money and objective transportation option with the budget chair on. Thank you everyone on my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching my video. Let us new video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching my video.